Well, I'm trying really hard to find a camp spot that's kind of off the beaten path, but it looks like I might be a little bit too early because the road is looking less than friendly. Come on out, good girl. And the entrance to this campsite right here is rather substantial. Rock hard chunk of snow that I am absolutely positive I'd break through and high center. So I guess I'm gonna have to go back the way I came. There's a sign down there that says Grand Marais 16 miles. I can't believe I drove. It's been 16 miles already. It doesn't feel like it's been that far, but oh well, I guess we will turn around and go back the other way. Looks like my campsite is coming right up here. Oh no. Kimbo Lake Campground is looking not exactly accessible. Yeah. I mean, maybe I'm gonna hop out and maybe walk down there and see what it looks like. All right. Oh God. Definitely off the road enough. All right, let's see. Extreme. You know, it doesn't look terrible. Just the whole thing about driving a 16,000 pound machine on snow that is of an unknown thickness or deepness concerns me slightly, because yeah, I don't have a winch on that thing yet. The funds kind of ran out after the super single kit. Saving myself without a winch would be very difficult. I don't know if this is the best idea to do this. So what do you guys think? Should I risk it? It'll make for good content if I get stuck. I don't want to get stuck. It's gonna suck. It'll suck a lot if I get stuck. I'm already all the way back here. I guess let's see what happens. Cup! Look at her go. You're a happy dog, aren't you? Oh yeah. All right. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, here we go. Everything's going good so far. Feels like I'm not sinking through. Oh, now we're on an adventure here, folks. Ooh, it's slippery. It's not too bad. All right. Let's call that good. This looks like as good a campsite as any. Come on out. Oh, look at you. You're still a puppy. You know that? You're crazy. You're a crazy dog. You're a crazy dog. You know that? Yes, you are. Yeah, you're a crazy, crazy dog. Oh my God. You're so excited, aren't you? Oh my God. It's just a no. Hey, you guys said no there, huh? What are you doing? Well, it is not exactly the nicest day to go out and build a fire or cook any food over said fire, but it's definitely a good time to do some work here inside. There we go. Look at me. I'm doing super important business stuff. Enhance. 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 Well, this is about all I'm going to do this evening. Let's check back in a little bit, and I'm going to make up some delicious food. Oh, I almost forgot. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to chop up some of this cilantro that I got at a grocery store. Because just because it's a cheap meal doesn't mean it has to not be a tasty meal. Gringo! We're having some gringo tacos here. The only way that I can make it whiter is if, well, fry bread's native. I want some fry bread tacos, by the way. Oh my god. I should have made fry bread tacos. That would have been smart. Alright, we're having ourselves a good go here. Almost ready to eat some scrumptious dinner, finally. I've been working in front of the computer. Time kind of got carried away from me. It's 9 o'clock right now. I am quite hungry. Oh yeah. Take that, Gordon Ramsay. I'm just going to add some cilantro. Maybe a little bit more cilantro. Because I love cilantro. And hopefully this salsa from Minnesota is good. And now, what's that you said? Oh, you want to see it? Oh, okay. All right. Well, come here. Come here. Look at that. Ow. Dang it! Ooh. Not too terrible. I think I'm going to call it for this evening. I still have a lot of editing to do tonight so that I can keep up ahead and continue this project that I'm working on right now that is called YouTube. So I'll see you tomorrow morning. I think Dana did a 3 or 4 day. He said it was incredible. But everybody reports all this energy, which is really fascinating, because I guess that's your body surviving off ketones. Right. Look at this doggo. Oh, yes, hello. Why you give me that look? Huh? You giving me that Alyssa Marnay or whatever. In the arms of an angel. Oh, in the arms of the angel. What are you doing, Goof? Wiggle Plutz? Good girl. You just stay right there. It's too cramped in here for you to be running around. She loves to lay exactly where I'm going to step. And it's kind of a pain in the butt because you're a 100-pound dog. There's not enough space in here for you. For you to just lay around wherever you want. It needs to be a routine. You understand? No boop? Boop! I gotcha. I hope I have enough maple syrup. I've only got 2.5 gallons. That should last until about maybe June or so. You might be asking, that seems like a lot of maple syrup, Vic. Are you sure you're going to go through that much maple syrup? Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh shit, you're back. I still haven't quite figured out what to do. But now that I'm all hopped up on maple juice, maybe let's take a quick trip down to the lake. Well, it looks like Minnesota's gracing me with a few nice hours of decent weather before the next storm kicks up. So I'm out here just really soaking in the area. It's quite beautiful. Weird. Anyway, let's take the drone up and get some nice shots. Up, over here. Ah, too far away. I don't want to ruin that view. Where do I go? I don't know what to do with my hands. I guess this is gonna have to do it right here. Just take a look at that view. Man, you might be onto something, Kenny. This is spectacular.